Hello everybody, I hope we're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to go over my primary count for Bitcoin. Here it is, and what we're focused on is going to be right in here, guys, and how we are going to actually lift off from this area. Yes, this is a bullish count, guys. This is my primary count. It goes without saying there are other counts at play. There are other scenarios at play. You should be aware of those scenarios. My previous video that I posted yesterday goes over a few of those. This is my primary that I am currently playing. We're going to go over this today, exactly what we're looking like in here. I think something is about to hit Bitcoin before we actually take liftoff. And we're going to go over why I think that. We're going to look at a couple key areas where this has happened in the past for Bitcoin. We're going to go smaller time frame. 15 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, show you some trades that I'm looking at close up, and really try to nail this, have a good run for the next couple of weeks. I'm feeling it, baby. I'm feeling it. We're due. It is time. It is time. Now, if you're new to the channel, I trade using Elliott wave theory. I come up with high probability trades, trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, leverage trade them only. If you want to learn how I trade, head into the free Discord. I have a free Elliott Wave course in here, and it is my trading course, exactly how I trade. It's all included right here for free in the free Discord under the Learn channel. Go check it out. Also, drop a follow on Instagram if you want to see my life, if you want to see me, if you want some trading motivation in the form of some sexy ass reels. Go ahead, drop a follow on Instagram. All that is pinned in the first comment down below. Let's get into this. Let's get into this. Here we go. Now, I am bullish on Bitcoin, guys. Bullish on Bitcoin. And, I'm waiting for everyone to say, oh, well, now you're bullish. Now you're bullish. Guys, I was overall bullish throughout all of this. Overall bullish. I can be short-term bearish. I could be short-term bearish. I longed this entire wave right here. Longed this entire wave right here. I could be short-term bearish for a move down. But overall, I'm bullish. Overall, we saw these, higher targets coming into play. It's a matter of when it's going to happen. I tend to be very contrarian in my plays. Very contrarian in my plays. Let me zoom back out. And, with that, everyone seems to be taking the opposite side of what I'm saying. So, in cases where I am wrong on the movement, everyone just seems to be right, That's just how it works. So I don't take offense to it. Everyone's living their best life. Everyone's doing their own thing. We're good over here, baby. I hope everyone's doing well. And let's get into what my primary account is now. We have a 1, 2 off of the bottom into our 3, into our 4. This could be a 1, 2, 1, 2 into a big, massive wave, but we're not going to go over that today. I'm saving that for a later video. That's going to be extremely high targets. We actually went over that in the live today over in the premium Discord. But right now, I'm just have a 1, 2, 3. This is all the way 4 that is finished. We are putting in a leading diagonal, gonna correct, and then have our big wave 3 run up into a 4, into a 5. We were talking in the premium Discord. I had a couple hour live today. We're live Monday through Friday. Guys, if you want access to the premium Discord, I do post all my alerts, all my trades that I'm getting into, swing alerts, scalp alerts. My indicators are all included. Constantly in the chat. We do live stream 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts. Go to upgrade here today. This code expires today. I will expire it tomorrow morning. Use code JUNKIE for $25 off your first month. If you want to give premium a try, for the first month you get $25 off. So go ahead, give it a try with code JUNKIE. Click the link here. It automatically connects your Discord. This is found within the free Discord. Just click upgrade here and you'll see the links. We'll see you over there. But we were saying, now that Mr. Trump is our presidente, they have about 2 months before he's actually inaugurated. A lot can happen in 2 months. Do we see a little bit of a pullback in the market? Something maybe happens and the Don doesn't go into the Oval Office under the best of circumstances, if you know what I'm saying. Just speculation there. Just speculation. But it can happen. It's something that we're considering. Overall, in order to get a nice blast off and a pump through here, guys, I'm pretty sure altcoins had serious buying volume since the election. I think it was setting records for the amount of volume that went through on altcoins. So much buying occurred here, guys. Are they going to make it easy? Everyone in the world is buying. They get just an absolutely monster jam to the upside. Everyone makes money. Everyone gets paid. Yeah. Guys, that's not how this game works. If you've been around here, if you've been around the block a time or two, that's not how this game works. We got to scare some people. We got to shake them out a little bit. We have not done that yet. Was this the shakeout? Was this the shakeout? Was this? I don't know. I am foreseeing a move. I'm not calling we're gonna break this bottom, but just a nice little. Oh! Let's lose this trend line. Oh! We're going. Oh, just a little shakeout. And it's just, guys, it's just a correction. It's just a correction of our leading diagonal. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 broke out of the trend line. That's cute. That's fine, of our leading diag for the fifth wave. Let's correct this wave 1. Wave 1 needs to get corrected, guys. It needs to get corrected. You know, I don't care if it's this. I don't care if it's a flat correction where you get this. I don't care if it's a triangle correction where you get this. I want some type of correction right now. I have an ABC drum. And then once we shake out everyone that longed out of this trend line, longed out of the break of all-time high, bought spot, purchased alts, once we shake some people out, get them to sell, then we can rip and roar to the upside. And I mean rip. You know, there's no real entries that they're going to give you. If we look into the next chart here, guys, if we look into the next chart, you know, all these boxed areas were massive turning points. And this last area was the COVID dump, which is important. Now, as you can see, when liquidity is swept, boom, we do not give an entry here, kind of creep, and then it just rips to the upside. There's no real kind of, oh, let's give them an entry. You know, in our case, we went boom, 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 boom. Like, that's where we're at right now. We're right here, and we're still stalling. We are stalling. We got to get some legs. And I'm not saying it can't happen. We can get some legs. There's some days left where we can just pump. But I got to see it, guys. I got to see it. And remember, we're going to go smaller time frame here in a second. So stick with me. Stick with me. We're going to go how this is going to top here. What I need to see for the topping. Back in here. Liquidity sweep, and then we just ripped out of the zone, kind of consolidated here in a downwards fashion. No real entries to short that were good, and just ripped out of the zone. Right here, ripped out of the zone. Right here, ripped out of the zone. Literally no pullbacks. Right here, if we zoom in on this, here. Look at this one. Look at this one. And these are all precursors to giant moves to the upside, and I'm pretty sure that's what you guys all want, right? A giant move to the upside. So if we are to get such a move, you know, even right here, guys, we had what looks to be a pullback, but guys, this was a scary pullback. This was vertical to the downside. Vertical. This looks like an ABC correction. This shook out a lot of hands right here. We had a break of the trend line. It looked like it was just going. This just boom, vertical to the downside, and then we went and then just ripped out of the zone. Look at this right here. That's a 1 day. That's a daily candle right there. That is 1 day, right? Back in the COVID dump, you didn't really see that. This dump was so drastic and so fearful that, you know, after, you know, it came up, we started doing QE. There was really no, if they brought it back down here, it was too easy to buy. They kind of did their dump right here. Boom. Brought it down. Scared the Jesus out of everyone. And then just kept pushing it. Didn't really give any good, solid, long entries. Just kept pushing it. But back where we are right now, guys, I mean, it's just not giving me that feeling. It's not giving me that feeling. I'm really seeing at least, you know, a correction, guys, and then we can go. I'm not going to entertain extremely low targets. I'm not going to say anything crazy because I know you guys can't handle it when I say some crazy shit. But, you know, this is what I'm looking at. You know, we're going to go smaller time frame on this now, and I'm going to show you what I need to see, you know, a topping signal. As you guys can tell, I'm short, and I'm just probably going to exit this short soon. You know, I'm just taking scalps, man. I'm just taking scalps, just kind of taking what I can. If you guys do want to trade on Blowfin, Chart Junkies has the best initial deposit bonus. You can get up to $10,000 with just your initial deposit in free money, baby. Free money. Look at this. $450 for a $1,000 minimum deposit. Pause the screen. Read this. You need to meet the trading volume requirements. This is only available with the link pinned in the first comment down below. I annoy the shit out of Blowfin because that is their best promotion. Not a lot of people run it. They give it out randomly, but I make them give it to me. That's how good it is, because you guys deserve the best deposit bonus and the best bang for your buck. Take advantage of that with the link pinned in the first comment down below. Now let's go zoomed in on this. Oh, and also Blowfin's running a competition, guys. $1 million. $1 million. Join the Chart Junkies team. War of Whales. Go to the free Discord or type in Chart Junkies on the main page. $1 million in prizes, guys. Our team is going to win this. It's based on trading volume. It's based on P&L. We got 9 people in here right now. That's got to get bumped up. Join a winning team. Let's go. All right, let's go smaller time frame in this. Oh, where are we dumping? Wait a minute. Okay. All right, whatever. Now, what I am looking for as we are dumping here, I really want to see on Bitcoin, I really want to see 78K. I really do. It hits the 1-to-1 fib very, very nicely, guys. Very, very nicely. If I'm zoomed out, we're going to go back in here. Hang on. I'm just pulling a fib from here to here to here. Right? Calling this a flat. The one fib is right at 78K, guys. Right at 78K. You know I love that fib. You know I love it. I think a little bit more of a push to the upside. I want to see ETH above 3K. Now, this run up, I'm counting as a 1, 2, 3. All this is 4. Gonna be a 5. That looks great to me. If I'm pulling a fib here, 2618. We have met the 2618. That's a perfectly fine spot for reversal. You know, for me, I will be taking a good amount of profit right here at 74K and probably just letting the rest run, throwing my stop loss break even, calling it a day. Same thing on my Ethereum trade, just in case this wants to dump up out of this zone. But I'm fully expecting a bounce at around 74K for one last hit up to 78K. From there, I'm going to be looking at heavy shorts, guys. Heavy shorts. I will be looking to long this. I will put a schlong in at around 74K, hoping to catch a little hit to the upside, right? That's the overall finishing structure I'm looking for the immediate term, right? Long term, I'm expecting much higher. We all know this. It goes without saying. Like, I feel like I have to over-explain myself, and, you know, the most I could say is, guys, get in the Discord. The Discord, I am explaining. We have hours of live streams. I try to fit all this in a 10-minute video for you guys. You know, and I do post daily updates for you guys, but I can only do so much with the video updates. So, you know, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I do post daily Bitcoin updates. We're coming up on 6K subscribers. So, like the video if you got something out of it, guys. I appreciate you watching this thing all the way through. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Check out Premium Discord. Check out Blowfin. Trade safe. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. I love you.